Alright guys, trying out my fly rod today for some whatever wants to hit it. See some bluegill in front of me. Oh, here they come. Look at that. Oh, look at that. That was so cool. Hit it right off the surface. You see him comp and hit it?
No, I didn't, but it looked cool.
First cast on the fly rod. That's why I brought it. I knew it would work for bluegill. We're on. We're on. A bell. Right when I said that. That didn't take long at all. Okay. Oh, I love these fish. They fight so hard. Okay. Good move to tighten the drag there. That only took like 10 minutes. Good move to tighten the drag there, because he was taking me downstream. Okay, he doesn't feel too big. I could be wrong though. He's making a nice little wake. Here by myself because my dad had to go on a call, so I'm gonna net him on my own. It's a nice carp. Actually, I'm not sure how big he is yet. Okay, he's right next to that rock. Oh shoot. Oh, he's not bad. He's trying to break me off on that rock though. Okay, he's still got some fight. Dang, he's already got my arm tired. Gosh. All right, let's loosen it a bit. All right, here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. The net's to my left. Okay, about a 6, 7, maybe 8 pounder. Netting him on my own. Whoa, there he goes. There he goes. Gotta get out of my other line. Oh, shoot. He went in my other line. Dang it. He went in my other line. Oh my gosh, these fish. Oh my gosh, these fish have so much fight. Why do you have to wrap around my other line? Oh, he saw the net, he saw the net. My goodness, he will not give up. This fish should not give up. This fish should not give up. Okay. All right, I think it's time. Yeah. Yes. Nice fish. That didn't take long at all. They're biting today. Yeah, he's about 8 pounds. I think he's an 8 pounder. Okay. There he goes. Let me get him in the sling. I mean, it didn't take long at all. I didn't even get the sling out. Wet for him. Could try and get the hook out of you too. Be back to you guys once we get a weight. Okay, got the hook out. He didn't swallow it, but it was like right in the side of the lip there, really deep in the skin, but we got it. And we didn't hurt him doing it. Just get them in the sling. We'll get a quick weight and I'll put them back. Awesome, man. Not the size I'm looking for, but a good start. Okay, yep, 8 pounds, like I said. Oh, he might be 9. No, he's 8. $8.61. Good fish. Let's get him back. Make sure my camera's on. Awesome fish. What the heck was that? I think that was a bluegill hitting a fly off the surface. Alright, let's go. I'll revive him for a bit. He's off. Out of instinct, I turned off the camera, but I think this is a bigger fish. He's taking me all the way downstream. Okay. Okay. Let's loosen a bit. Alright, this is a better fish. Oh man. Whoa! Oh, he popped off. He popped off. That was a better fish, guys. I think he might have been double digit. We got another one. Holy crap, we got another one. Right when I said that, we got another one. Right when I said that, we got another one. Oh! Almost tripped there. Lost the other one, got another one. Freaking right afterwards. How lucky is that? How lucky is that? Oh, that's a big one. That's a big fish. Oh yeah, that's a better fish, man. This thing to drag a hair. Ah. Don't lose this one. Don't lose this one. This is a nice fish. Don't lose this one. That means there must have been 2 patrolling the corn. Come on. Get in the... Oh. All right, here we go. He won't give up. Definitely better fish. Compared to that first one. That second one, I'm not sure. If you guys can help with the net, that would be cool. Oh. I had another one on the other rod and he came off. But there's the net right there. If you can just get it right underneath them, that would be great.
Oh, it's huge.
All right, I'm gonna bring them over and then just put it right underneath them. There we go.
Oh my God. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Such a big fish.
It's a heavy fish.
Yeah.
Okay. Whew, that's better than the first one I caught. That's a nice one.
It's a cat?
It's a carp. Common carp. Oh man. Ah. Perfect hook set. And right after that other one I lost. It's a carp.
Can you touch it? Touch it?
路下钓的吧？是，那个下竿钓鲤鱼，我让他来了。那我不吃鱼，可以用鱼钓还是用钓的？好嘞，我给他。
这个叔叔要把它称一称有多重。
See how much he weighs.
我看那个景黄是不像那个，不像那个鱼吗？
Okay, 13 pounds.
13 pounds.
The other one I lost might have been.
You lost another one?
Yes, caught one when I first got here. Just had one like a few minutes ago, but he came off, and then right afterwards this one hit. So a lot of action. Oh. Corn. We use the corn as chum, and then we use fake corn. And we use fake corn as the bait on the hook.
Thank you.
Could I ask you one more thing? Could you take a picture of me?
Sure.
It was really hard with that first one, so. I really appreciate that.
You can hold your fish. Okay.
Lift them up.
Come on. Okay.
Good.
I think this was good.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Let's go.
Cool. Sure.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I'll show you my friend.
Get him back. Yikes. Ah. he's just chilling. Awesome. There he goes. It's more the size we're looking for. There's a double digit. 13 pounds. I think that second one, I think that one lost though, was bigger than that one. And same rig. It's the only rig I use for my carp. Wanted to go snakehead fishing, but couldn't go to the snakehead spot today. Didn't have that much time, so I decided to come here. And I think it was worth it. A lot of fun, a lot of fun. Whew. Be right back once I get another one. I didn't turn on the camera because this guy took off, guys, but we got one. All right, here he comes. I mean, he jumped out of the water. You barely see carp jump. Oh, this is a nice one. That was intense. I mean, he bent the rod over so far. I wanted you to have it, but he just took off too hard.
Yeah, I saw you like running towards it.
That was insane. I mean, he bent the whole thing over.
I got the net though.
I saw that fish jump near my line. I knew he was going to come over. Just had to get away from those turtles.
Oh. Oh, this is crazy.
Here he comes. Oh, get the net ready.
Yeah.
Thought he would be bigger. He's actually smaller than I thought.
Where he goes?
This is crazy, but that just shows the power. All right, try to get underneath him without scaring him. No, they see you scared him. You gotta put the rod and put the net in the water to where you don't scare him, and then lift it underneath him.
Okay.
Lift.
No!
Lift.
I got it!
Oh, you splashed me, but you got him.
Ah, it's heavy.
Nice. Oops, sorry.
These are all good.
All right. Good deal.
Yeah, no.
I was just about to leave. Good deal. Just about to give up because of those turtles. These turtles here somehow learned how to eat fake corn. But I walked out a bit farther, threw my corn out a bit farther away from the turtles and put my lines near there, and boom, carp came over. We kept seeing them jump out of the water, man, and hit the surface.
Yeah, like at least we know they're out there.
And we saw this guy jumping near where I casted my stuff. So I knew he was gonna come over. Just enough to where the bag is wet. It's just so he won't hurt himself.
Yeah.
Also so I can weigh him. I like the colors on this one. Actually not sure how much this guy weighs. Maybe 12 pounds. my guess.
That bag's not gonna affect the weight.
No, a bit smaller. No, it shouldn't affect the weight. 11 pounds. I was close. I said 12.
Oh?
It won't stay still, but he's 11 pounds. This is literally just a koi, but he doesn't have the colors on.
Oh. So is that why their mouths look similar?
Yeah, it's the same type of fish, a carp.
Let me give her a little pet.
They usually sit here for a while before they go.
He's so cute though.
There we go. He's off. Yep. That's basically what I'm doing, guys, to avoid these turtles that have been somehow taking my fake corn. Walked out a bit up to my knees. I'm throwing my corn chum out into the middle channel. Of course, putting my fake corn on top of it, or at least close to it, like that. And leave the baler open without line. So we got it back in the holder. Like that. Rub some of the slack here. You don't want it too tight though, because you don't want them to feel it. But yeah, we're ready to go. I'm gonna get the other one in the water real quick.
He's taking off, yo. Look out.
Finally. Without some drag.
Dude, that is not a turtle.
That's not a turtle. Oh, you got him out. Dang, what the hell did he bury himself in? Oh,
That's a turtle?
that's why.
When did he get stuck in the grass?
He went into the grass and got off. That was definitely a carp. Finally, we get one. He gets off in the grass.
Oh, over in the water.
I'll grab it if you can get the fish.
See where it went?
He's going
All right, I see.
without some drag. Without some drag. I'll find it once we get the fish. I don't hear the drag squealing. Did you tighten it or loosen it?
What should I do? You said it's braid.
This isn't braid, it's mono. Oh yeah, nice fish. Oh, the weight was good. Whoa. Remember, do the pump retrieve. Oh. If once he moves, hey, don't loosen the line. Always keep the line tight. And once he takes off, stop reeling. Like that.
Whoa, he really took off.
All right, reel.
Where the hell does he think he's going?
All right, pump him again. Wow, that's a big carp. That's a nice fish.
Whoa, he took off.
It's a nice fish. I can see him. It's dark, but I can see him. We've been waiting a while.
Yeah, he's taking off like a bat out of hell.
Been waiting a while for this fish, man. These freaking turtles been getting in our way. He's not giving up.
Find the bell?
I see it. Yeah, whatever you do, don't make that drag too tight, because when they make a run, he will snap you off like nothing. When he makes...
Made a run
I know.
several times.
That's why you don't want your drag too tight. Okay, here he comes. Holy moly.
That was a nice splash, wasn't it?
What a run.
He does not want to come in.
There he is.
Wow, he's big.
Another run.
He's big as shit.
Another run. Okay. Oh man, he jumped out of the net.
Dude, he's taking off, dude. That's a big fish.
He's all the way out in the middle now. Or he's coming back. Oh, please don't come off. We've been waiting all day for this. God. Oh, I shouldn't have did it head first like that. That was stupid. Okay. Gotcha.
That's what I'm talking about. That's a big.
You like surfed them in. That was
Dude,
crazy.
Yeah, I just horsed him in on that last run. I said
You
I
just
was tired
surfed
of
them
playing.
in.
I was like, hold it. That's a big fish.
Finally,
man.
gosh.
I swear, I waited all day.
For all those damn turtles, finally. Right in the side of the mouth.
Woo!
I'm gonna guess 13, 14 pounds? Bottom. Clip. Yeah, hooked them good. Yeah, I'm gonna need the pliers. That's in there good. Fought him for that long, and it wouldn't come out.
Because he was pulling. Man.
Yeah, he wouldn't come out. It wouldn't come out.
Man, that's a big fish, dude.
I knew he was hooked good after all those runs.
You got the camera on that whole time?
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's pretty dark out, but I got it on. There we go. I usually don't use grippers for carp, but I know my dad likes using them. It's dark, we gotta hurry up and get out of here.
Yeah, salad and pizza time.
You can still get a picture because I got a flash.
Dude, did you get the bell? I see it.
Yep. How about the same size as the one I caught yesterday? How about that? 11 pounds.
11. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy.
It won't stay still, but 11.28. That might even, no, that's not the same fish. Just around it's the same weight for some reason. 11 pounds. Hold the grippers, not the string. There you go. Put another arm underneath them.
I ain't touching that slimy pulp.
All right. Oh, flash. All right, one more. All right.
There he goes.
Yep.
Dude, that was cool.
He gave you a good fight.
Hey, you kept torquing it.